Do you know the mat of Korea? What do you think the mat means? Mat means taste, feel, or pleasure. Let's start with the first meaning of mat, taste. It is commonly used to describe the deliciousness or quality of food. Korean cuisine is known for its bold and complex flavors, and mat is an important concept in Korean cooking. People often use
맛있다,
to describe food that tastes good. Take, for example, a bowl of bibimbap. The flavors of this iconic Korean dish blend harmoniously to create a taste sensation that is uniquely mat, a colorful and nutritious dish that combines rice, vegetables, meat, and a spicy gochujang sauce. The different textures and flavors come together to create a harmonious and satisfying meal. Mat can also be applied to non-food experiences. Think about watching a heart-pounding K-drama finale, the emotions and excitement all coming together. That's mat. Or witnessing a breathtaking sunrise over a mountaintop. The awe-inspiring view? That's mat as well. And let's not forget the sheer joy and excitement of partaking in a lively Korean festival, where the sights, sounds, and flavors all come together to create a truly memorable experience of mat. So, what makes something truly mat? It's a combination of factors. Next time you experience something truly delightful in Korea, whether it's a delicious dish, a stunning view, or a fun activity, remember, that's mat. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into Korean culture. See you next time.